Hello everyone. Now I want to explain how to perform several functions on the Kross blockchain using our cross-chain Telegram bot. So I'm going to start with us going into the the Crosscoin bot itself. So now there are several functions that you can do on a public chat, like on the Kross blockchain general chat, right? That everybody can see you doing. An example of that is tipping and querying some stats, right? But there are other functions that the bot will not allow you do unless you DM the bot. So you will see the response. If you try to do it on the public chat, you will get a response that says use this command in a private chat, right? And one of them is to register for the first time, right? Now, there are other such functions that you can't do publicly. An example of that is the private key function, right? So let's start with the public functions. I'm going to show you how to tip another user on the Telegram chat. Anywhere the cross chain bot is added as an admin, you can tip people in that group. So let's start with how to tip. So let's just go to start. Just do this forward slash, and the only bot working here is what you will see here. You will see all the functions, right? You can say hi to the Crosscoin bot and take you to the DM. You can do help to see all the bot commands, right? You can see fee. It shows you the last, all the fees on the Cross blockchain for the last 7 days, right? Then you can see the rich list, all the top 50 rich list, the top 50 addresses that holds KSS coin. You see them here. Then node sync status. It's because the bot is synced with the Explorer. So they're in sync. When they're not in sync, the bot doesn't work, and then our team have to go in there and restart the bot. So it's always in sync. So this is how you can know what is the block number of the Kross blockchain. Let us even try that right now. Let's select node sync status, and it shows you that the Kross blockchain height is currently at 1,862,330. So you know that every block is created roughly every 60 minutes on the Kross blockchain. Sorry, 60 seconds. So every 1 minute, a new block is created averagely. So that means it's about 1,862,330 minutes that the Kross blockchain has been existing. And that is over 3.5 years. All right. So let's just go to forward slash again so we can see the other things that you can query. My address, this is what you use to register yourself on the cross-chain bot and to know your deposit address, right? Balance shows you all your balances of the whitelisted tokens. So some of us I'm going to whitelist that token so we can just play around with it. You can tip people, you can do all kind of stuff with it. Then private key is among balance. You can't do balance on the public chat. You have to do balance. Let's try it. You see, balance. You tell you do it on a command, private command, right? And of course, private key as well is for your eyes only. Let's try it. It tells you do it on a private command. All right. So lease. Let us see if we can lease publicly. Private. Okay. So it tells you you can lease. So it says you can lease your cases to the following addresses, right? So let me try to list publicly. Let's just see what happens. So this is how to list now. Just do /list, and then let me just check something here. So I want us to do it public private chat so you can see how to list because it tells you in detail. Let's just go further on list. So what with one command on list all, you cancel all your lists, all your multiple lists if they are multiple. Issue token, you can issue token. That's create your own cryptocurrency on Kross blockchain, and you do this on the private chat, right? So let me go ahead and go to my private chat and message, do the things I can do. But first of all, let's just quickly go back to the public so I can show you how to tip other people, right? So to tip somebody, let me just select, okay, I can find an address to tip. I know those who have already registered. So let's do /tip, and then you have to select somebody to tip their username, right? So let me see. Let me just put hash. Somebody's going to come out. Okay, I know bullish is registered, and I can do 0.001 KSS, right? Let me even try 0001 because KSS has about 8 decimals, and then I put KSS, and it tells you that somebody have been tipped. All right, so you can see it. KSS CEO tipped 0.0001 KSS, and when you tap on this arrow sign, it takes you to the Explorer. So you can see it on the Explorer, you know, the transaction on the Explorer. You can click tip, can either open it or you cancel it. All right, so this is how it works. So you can tip people, tip yourself, and we want to be tipping you when you hit a milestone. We want to be tipping you so that you are encouraged, and just a way of sharing love on Kross blockchain. All right. So this is part 1. Let me stop this video. I'm going to talk about more functions at the part 2. Thank you for watching.